Well, Bollywood's rising star Ananya Panday has been summoned by the Narcotics Bureau once again. She is to appear before the Drug Probe Agency for round 2 of grilling. Yesterday, the 22-year-old actor was grilled for about 3 hours after being summoned. India Today has accessed the Narcotics Bureau questionnaire to Ananya Panday. Sources have told us that whether she saw Aryan consume drugs at any point of time was being asked. The actor was also asked on whether she consumed drugs with Aryan and as to from where did Shah Rukh Khan's son procure those drugs. While Ananya is being grilled by the NCB, India Today has learned that 2 more actors are also under the scanner. The names of these 2 Bollywood actors have been taken from Aryan Khan's WhatsApp chats. War of words between NCB's Sameer Wankhede and Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has intensified. Malik has alleged that Wankhede is targeting Bollywood celebrities and levelled extortion charges. Meanwhile, Wankhede, in an exclusive conversation with India Today, said that he would take legal action. Here's more.
Sameer Wankhede, the high-profile NCB official who put Aryan Khan in jail. For the last 3 weeks, ever since the drug bust on a swank cruise ship, Wankhede has been grabbing attention, turning the screws on SRK's son and others, ensuring they remain in jail. Now the man himself is feeling the heat, and from no less a person than a minister in the Maharashtra government.
I will not comment on anything.
Nawab Malik has charged Wankhede of extortion. To prove his point, the NCP leader questioned Wankhede's visit to Maldives at a time when several Bollywood stars were present there. Malik then tweeted a picture of Wankhede in Dubai.
अधिकारी स्वयं दुबई और मालदीव में क्या कर रहे हैं? इसका खुलासा अधिकारी को करना पड़ेगा, समीर वानखेड़े को। हम मांग करते हैं वो बताएं, वे दुबई गए थे क्या कारण था वो वहाँ गए? हमें तो पूरा यकीन है कि सारी उगाई मालदीव और दुबई में हुई है, जिसकी तस्वीरें हम आप लोगों को देंगे।
मैं गया था मालदीव्स में, बाकायदा गवर्नमेंट की हमारे जो कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी होती है उनकी परमिशन मैंने लिया है। I have never been to Dubai, whatever time he's stating that.
The NCB officer admitted that he went to Maldives with his family but never met any Bollywood star there. He denied he was in Dubai in December 2020 as claimed by the minister.
मैं सरकार की परमिशन लेके अपने बच्चों के साथ में, अपने फैमिली के साथ में गया हूँ, तो अगर उसे एक्सटॉर्शन कहते हैं तो this is not extortion.
Wankhede has outrightly rejected Malik's extortion charges and said he's contemplating taking legal action against Nawab Malik. Nawab Malik's serious charges against Wankhede come at a time when the NCB officer has come under public glare.
I am a central government employee, so I have to take due permissions from my seniors, and after that I will take a legal course.
He himself committed. Even the NCB press note says he had been to the Maldives, but he denied that he was not in Dubai. Definitely law is there in this country. He is free to take legal path.
With many believing he is taking an unduly harsh line against Shah Rukh Khan's son. The Aghadi government too has repeatedly accused the BJP of misusing central agencies to target Bollywood celebrities. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.